Microgreens and sprouts may look similar, but they are actually different in many ways. In this video, we'll explore the difference between the two and help you understand which one is right for you. Microgreens are tiny plants that are harvested at a very early stage, usually when they have developed one or two sets of leaves. They are packed with nutrients and flavor, making them a popular choice for salads, sandwiches, and garnishes. Microgreens can be grown from a variety of plants, including herbs, vegetables, and edible flowers. Sprouts are young plants that are grown from seeds and harvested just after they have sprouted. They are usually eaten raw and added to sandwiches, salads, and wraps. Sprouts are packed with nutrients and are easy to digest. They can be grown from a variety of seeds, including alfalfa, clover, mung beans, and radishes. While both microgreens and sprouts are nutrient-dense foods, they differ in their nutritional content. Microgreens are harvested at a later stage and therefore contain more vitamins and minerals than sprouts. Sprouts, on the other hand, are high in enzymes and protein, making them a great choice for vegan and vegetarian diets. Both microgreens and sprouts can be used in a variety of ways in the kitchen. Microgreens are best enjoyed raw and can be added to salads, sandwiches, smoothies, and more. They can also be used as a garnish for soups and dishes. Sprouts are also great in salads and sandwiches, and can be used as a topping for stir-fries and noodles. Now that you know the difference between microgreens and sprouts, you can choose the one that best suits your needs. Whether you're looking for a nutrient-packed addition to your diet or a delicious way to spruce up your meals, microgreens and sprouts are both great choices.